my suggestion is 60 to 20 hours intermittent dinner test. You can eat free and you can eat what you want at dinner and lunchtime. And stop dinner and you should drink this intermittent fasting. You can feel that it's more comfortable than any other activity. So I cannot drink sprint interval training today, but I'm okay. I'm now doing intermittent fasting, and when I take a sleep, my body will make more growth hormone. Almost 2,000% increase of growth hormone, and it can make my body more healthy, more younger, and more better than any other activity. Sprint interval training can increase